What's up? In this video, we'll see how the deformers work with the different primitive objects. Firstly, we create a cube and increase the segments in every side of it. Perfect. Let's make it bigger from the top and then move it up a little bit. Now let's go to the deformer icon, click and hold, and select our first deformer that will be bend. How can we parent this to our primitive objects? Just click the deformer and drag it to the cube. That's it. Perfect. Now we have this deformer that is affecting the cube. The only thing we have to do is to fit the deformer to the cube properly. To do that, we click Fit to Parent. In this case, we see that the deformer is not visible, but just because it's very small compared to our shape, we're just going to make it a bit bigger, and the best would be that the deformer is a little bit bigger than the object. Let's see how this deformer works. We'll just simply use these options in the window. See? Now we are folding this rectangle. Remember that it's very important to add a number of segments to be able to fold the rectangle. That is, adding more segments here. Great! Our next deformer, FFD, is very popular. So let's select this deformer and create a sphere afterwards. Perfect. We'll do the same as we did with the cube and the bend. Just left click and drag it to the sphere. And now it's working in our shape. The only thing we need to do is deform our shape. To do so, select the point mode and select the rectangle selection tool. Now select the top points of our deformer and drag them up. That's it. This is one of the most used deformers to change the shapes. It's also useful to model or to do other things. And well, that's how it works. Similarly, we have some other options, the deformer size, but in this case, we have the number of segments we are going to use. So for example, we add segments here and we can deform these, making it smaller here, right? And making it bigger on the top part. Great! This is our second modifier or deformer. Now we'll use another one to keep practicing. Let's delete this and let's create another cube. Make it bigger and add more segments. Perfect. Well, maybe not so many. Let's reduce it like this. Great. Now we'll use a deformer called Twist. This deformer, as its name implies, twists the shape. We'll do the same, using Twist inside the cube. Select Fit to Parent, make it bigger, and give it more angle. And there we have it. We have deformed our cube using the deformer. I recommend that you practice this exercise with every modifier you can to get used to them. Right, see you in the next video.